To understand this, let's learn how to control and in this, you are going to learn how to control the flow statement in C++. This is very similar, just like other languages. You probably hear about if statement. If the Boolean expression is true, then the statements are going to execute. In this family, one more statements, if-else statements are also present. If the Boolean expression of if are true, then the statements are going to execute. Otherwise, else statements will be executed. In this family, the third person is also same as if-else. Else if. If the Boolean expression of the first is true, then the first blocks of statement are executed. And the Boolean expression of else if second blocks are true, then the statements of second block are also be executed. And you can use else if as much as time as you want. If the Boolean statements are not true, then the else statement will be executed. In the family of control flow, the switch statement is the king of if statements. The switch statement in C++ is similar as the switch statements in other programming languages. Break statements are optional. This means when a value is selected, the case statements associated with that choice is executed, as well as each case statements that comes after it. And now let's talk about some loops. Loops in programming as much as important as ice cubes in vodka. In C++, the for loop can be executing by two types. First, for declaration range. In second, for initialization condition steps and then statements. There is one small note I would like to add. It is the use of concerning an alias, that is size t. Size t is a form of size of. By the way, this is found in cstd-def library. If you want to use size t, then you have to include the cstd-def library. You can use size t in a loop where you would normally define the variable type of the iterator. This is known as implicit typecast. It can make your code more secure and more portable. C++ have two types of while loop, the regular while loop and the other are do while loop. In regular while loop, if the condition is true, then the statements are executed till the condition will be false, and in do while loop the statements are executed for the first time and then condition is checked. And sometimes it is desired to create an infinite loop, and you can create just like this. There are also some exit loops present in C++, just like break, continue. The break statements end the loop and begin executing the first statements that comes after the loop. The continue statement will force the next iteration to be executed. Thank you guys for coming here. Hope you enjoy a lot. Programming with enjoyment sounds tricky, but slow and steady wins the race. Keep doing your assignments day by day. Until now, I am going to learn some new magics.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...